This is probably the most ridiculous place you can mount this camera. Okay, that entire video was shot with this. This is the Insta360 GO2, an absolutely minuscule, tiny little peanut-sized camera that shoots 2.7K video that you can reframe in portrait, horizontal, and square. Now you do have to connect it up to your phone to export the clips, but it still makes this the perfect camera for people who are just wanting quick shots for social media and things like that. Although also I found it's really good for Fpv flying with drones, and you can shoot an entire vlog on this. This little tiny peanut, this is the new 64GB version, which is the real purpose of this video. I wanted to let you know that I have a 64GB version. This has enough memory on here to record 1 hour and 45 minutes of high quality footage, and I think over 3 hours of lower quality footage. Now this on its own will have a battery life of 30 minutes, but then you combine it with this, the controller charger case, plop that in there like a big plop, and now you can control it with this. You can use this as a little handle, and you've got a little tripod that folds out, sits in your hand, you do lots of stuff with it. It's magnetic, so it sticks to things, and it comes with a massive range of mounting options, such as this. This is their little holdy thing, but it has this real cool sticky pad in the bottom of it, so if you need to stick it to a windscreen, window, something flat, that's it. It's so fast to use. If I want to stick it onto a jacket, or say the strap of a rucksack, I put it into this mount. Oh, wrong way around. I put it into this mount, and then I can just clip it straight on like that. There we go, chest mount with absolutely no problems. Now, that's ideally suited to sticking on like rucksacks and hats and things like that. Watch this. There is a magnetic pendant. Take it out. Which you hide on your clothing, stick that on, and again it gets you that first person perspective. So really that's it. Just a really quick summary, quick demonstration of what you can do with this camera, and just to let you know that it now comes with a 64GB option. There is money off for the next 10 days or so. I think there's about 40 pounds off each size, off each capacity size of this camera. So that makes it significantly cheaper than its, what I think would be its nearest competitor, the DJI Action 2, which has a similar modular setup. This is smaller than the Action 2, it's cheaper than the Action 2, and you can reframe, although the quality is slightly lower. But again, if you're just using this for social media and quick clips, I found the quality on this is perfect for something like that, and I just love using it because it's just so small, so cute, and it's really easy to store, because when you're done with it and you need to walk away, you can just, you know. Now, if you're in the market for an action camera but you're not actually sure which one you want, I am going to be doing a comparison between this, the DJI Action 2, and the GoPro Hero 10. That'll be out maybe a couple of weeks before Christmas anyway, so you can subscribe and you'll get that. But hopefully this video will help you make up your mind if this is what you're interested in. And as I said, link below also to a larger, and also link below to a few other videos using this, including a more... and links in the description to other videos using this camera, including a much longer review, as well as what it looks like stuck in an FPV drone. And then I've already shot. Okay.